Come back to my channel, Coin Lady. I'm happy to see you all again. The XRP SEC settlement is looking better by the day. The $107 million that has been circulating has never actually materialized. Are we talking about the final settlement number when we talk about 1 billion XRP or mark? In this video, we'll explain everything in detail, and if you want to know what's happening with Coinbase that could start the bull run, you should subscribe and like our page. So, let's go right in. Everyone, please come back. I'd want to take a moment to discuss a possible price explosion for XRP, but before I do, make sure your notification bell is on so you're always up to date with all our latest XRP news, Meet Ethereum, and everything else. XRP is up on the day, Bitcoin is down approximately 61,500, and the market trend has been extremely unpredictable. However, XRP is up on the day. What makes this monthly chart fascinating, though, is that many experts are beginning to forecast a highly bullish July for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, according to historical data, has a tendency to climb roughly 10%. So, many of us would be happy to see XRP's ultimate price movement if they're in the ballpark of 18%. Why, then, would it budge? The question is, what is happening? What, more crucially, can we anticipate? We already know that the legislation of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, has been more recently filed, and we eagerly anticipate the launch of the theory of ETFs. One of the latest developments that has XRP supporters quite positive is the possibility of an XRP ETF. The ones returning might show up as early as July 8th. The hashtag ETF, however, requires 215 XRP per share, and we are familiar with the hashtags. The SEC has recognized the Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF, which highlights the increasing regulatory acceptance of cryptocurrency. Other ETFs that are mixed with XRP include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more. This opens the door to much more. Hashtag demand for XRP is noteworthy, though. That is a very important matter. The increasing importance of XRP is indicated by the demand for the ETF, which requires 70 million or more XRP each share. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has officially recognized the 19B files for the Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, which were brought to light by Chad Stengraber. A noteworthy change in the digital asset scene was the ETF's intention to own both spot Bitcoin and Ethereum. Therefore, this is excellent news. Once more, the hashtag is a huge chance for a plethora of alternative currency and beyond. Without a doubt, this marks the beginning of a decidedly bullish trend in July. Well, that's not all. Additionally, we are aware of a major shift in the allocation of funds between Japan and Korea, which is expected to stimulate innovation in XRPL. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, Sony has been reportedly trying to start an exchange in Japan as of late. Plus, Jasmine's involvement is well known. Furthermore, the Japanese government has shown remarkable optimism regarding the future by providing tax breaks. It is worth noting that many financial institutions and e-commerce platforms have their headquarters in Japan. The XRP Fund, which includes Japan, Korea, and Japan, is currently accepting grant applications and, more importantly, is funding development over the XRPL. Innovation and leadership in this region are crucial, so it is important to consider the $500 million commitment to the XRP ledger in Asia. Clearly, this isn't a little sum of money. Apparently, a lot of money is going into the cryptocurrency network. Shinjuku, Japan. We had a video conversation with them before regarding a wild possible partnership between Meet and XRP. However, in my opinion, XRP's use in international money transfers has solidified. We are aware that their European operations have been substantially expanded as of late. For some reason, Asia is now feeling like it's up next. This can only be a positive development. The truth is that we have not yet received that resolution. Regarding that, though, there have been some updates. Additionally, it has come to our attention that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approached us regarding the need for formal rulemaking to better define the regulatory parameter for digital assets. Coinbase and Ripple Labs are currently utilizing their financial resources to challenge this decision. Even if Ethereum and Bitcoin are no longer considered securities, Coinbase went ahead and sued the SEC nevertheless. The news here is good. This can only be a good thing, even though we are aware that nothing has been finalized and that we are still awaiting a settlement amount. We are also aware that Brad Garland House has been actively attacking Gary Gensler on X. A great deal of excitement was consequently built up around this. I think it's safe to say that the market dynamic is changing, and that more regulatory clarity is on the horizon. On the one hand, the SEC's once steadfast stance seems to be waning, and on the other, the introduction of XRP and the Ethereum ETF has undoubtedly shifted momentum in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) have received regulatory approval, which adds credence to the story. July is shaping up to be a banner month for XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Observing the price movement reveals a pleasant little upswing today, with a return to the 48-cent mark and a 1.64% increase. As the market fell, Bitcoin's price climbed back above 62,000. So, a pleasant rise is what we're aiming for. The crucial point, in my opinion, is that we have maintained this support line on this chart for what seems like an eternity at 46.81. The bounce was great. We discussed this 2 days ago in my video updates and live stream, but this might be a temporary low for XRP before we see a market shift that sends us soaring again. I think that the 50-day simple moving average would be a good support level to test for a price increase. Even more crucially, though, XRP is beginning to show signs of improvement in a number of essential indicators. Please tell me in the space provided. Regarding the Coinbase Ripple case, what are your thoughts and opinions? Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.